Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get a Game Pass link in Roblox. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser and log into your Roblox account. Once you're logged in, click on the Create tab at the top of the screen. This will take you to the Creator dashboard. Now, find your private experience or place where the Game Pass is located. Every account has at least one by default. Click on that specific experience to access its settings. On the left-hand side, scroll down until you see the Passes section and click it. Here you'll find all the passes linked to that experience. Locate the pass you want to share and click on it. You will now be taken to the Game Pass details page. At the top of your browser, you'll see the URL. This link includes everything you need to share your Game Pass. Copy this full URL. This is the direct link you can send to others. Alternatively, you can extract the numeric ID from the URL if you only need the Game Pass ID for scripts or development purposes. The structure of the link usually contains your experience ID followed by the specific Game Pass ID at the end. Now you have your Game Pass link ready to share or use for promoting donations and sales in games like Please Donate. So, that's basically how you can get a Game Pass link in Roblox. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.